Alright, we're out here on Lake Lewisville. We have the day off today and just want to get on the water and see what this storm has done to the fish, because you always hear stories about whether the weather affects the fish. Well, it always affects them, but you can't let it stop, especially in our business. You got to get out on that water, stay on the fish daily. Even though that I don't have customers every day, I still come out and fish nearly every day, so that way when you guys come out and catch fish, I can keep you on the fish. So that's part of being a full-time guy. You got to do these things, but I love it. Again, I eat, sleep, and breathe it, y'all. So yesterday I got some requests. They wanted to see what the graph looks like as we're bumping the boat. So I'm going to switch it around. I've got my buddy Corey with me. He's fished with me many times, known me for a long time, like brother from another mother. So I'm going to switch it around. Tucker, thank you for watching, buddy. Doug, thank you for watching. Hewlin, I look forward to seeing you soon, buddy. We got to get you out. Bring some of that barbecue with you, buddy. So I'm going to switch this around and show you guys what it looks like on the graph. Alright, so if you can see it, see all those little rice grain looking marks? That is fish. That's all fish right there. And we're fishing in about 50 foot of water. We're catching these fish about 15 to 16 pools, so that's roughly 30 to 32 foot. So I'm going to switch it around here and let Corey take it over and film me showing y'all me catch a couple of these fish. So y'all hang tight real quick. I'm going to switch it over to him. Here you go, Corey. Everybody's watching.
What you got?
Right. Here we go. Hold up to where they can see me. Alright, so I'm going to stop hammering for a second. You see the graph? That's all fish on the graph. They're going to leave the minute I stop bumping, but I'm going to go ahead and reset my rod. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, close my bell. That's 30 foot. So now, show them on the graph how them fish are leaving right there. There's no fish. They're leaving us right now. So we're going to bring them back. Here we go. Alright. They're going to start showing back up now, y'all. Y'all see that screen? Alright, here they come. They're starting to come back now, y'all. Oh, I just missed that one. Sorry about knock Corey and knock the phone in the water and we'll lose another phone. Alright, see, they're fish on right now, y'all. Oh, here we go. Alright. Guys, if you want to come out and catch fish like this, you need to come on out. We can get you hooked up and put a bunch of fish in the freezer for you to go home with. Today we're using Constant Pursuit Outfitter jigs. Gulp. We normally use gulp baits, but today they want that smaller profile. I think it's due to the front or something like that. But again, Constant Pursuit Outfitters. That's the Thump Buddy, and below it's the Thump. I'm sorry, the top one's a Thump Chubby. That's the Thump Chubby. That's the Thump Buddy. Chartreuse, and we're using chartreuse and white on top, and we've been catching fish like this. Good eater size fish. Corey's going to go home with a mess of fish. Let me show y'all what we've been putting in the box real quick. There we go. We just been here for a little bit, y'all. Not very long.
There's a big blue in there.
He caught a big blue cap too on a goat bait earlier, y'all.
Dead sticking.
Dead sticking. So again, I just want to get y'all back out here. I normally do it once a week, but I went ahead and go show this because I had some questions in regarding how does the bump in the boat work. Well, I love sharing information, and I'm thankful for y'all watching. And I hope that y'all continue to share the posts and videos, because if you have any questions, you can call me, 817-909-1953. And let me grab the phone real quick. You can also look us up on the web. All right, here we go. So I lost connection there for a second, so apologize about that. We're dead sticking here on Lake Lewisville, and fishing's really good, y'all. Y'all need to give me a call. I can get you hooked up. Also, we do educational trips, so you learn out, come out, catch fish yourself, learn the tips and tactics, time of the year, patterns, all that great stuff. So let me switch it around. Just wanted to come out and give y'all a quick little tutorial on what's going on your lake. Yeah, it's really good. Love to have y'all. I'm gonna let Corey try to film me one more time so I can put this fish in the box so y'all can see it in live time. So Bobby, thank you for the likes. I appreciate all the likes and shares. I'm truly blessed to be able to do what I do and have the wonderful people around me to so I can continue my dreams. So thank y'all all. I appreciate it, everything y'all do. So here we go, back to fishing, what we love. All right, Corey, hold that for me real quick, sir.
You got it.
All right, let me go back to get my rod set here. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. I'm gonna grab my hammer here. Show them the screen is almost completely empty right now. Y'all see that? Okay. Completely empty. Here we go. And what I'm doing, I'm just holding this rod straight out, dead still. Y'all see that? And then I switch it every now and then, just like I would crappie fish. Sometimes it takes 2-3 minutes for the fish to show back up, but we got some fish starting to show up right now. Alright, here we go.
Brian Berry, what up, buddy? Brian Berry's watching. I don't know if you've seen that one.
What's up, Brian? Thanks for watching, buddy. Out here doing my thing, you know.
Time to get the clear down.
Fish on. It's just like that, y'all. Come out and get you some of this live action.
Let's see you reel it in.
Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Never gets too old. There it is. Another fish for Corey's box.
Haha.
Like he's gonna eat good. You gonna make some fish for the grill, huh, Corey?
I'm gonna make it all over ways. Grill it, fillet it out, chicken fry.
That's what we're catching. Just good eater sized sand bass, you know. Love to have y'all. I know I keep saying it, but give me a call, 817-909-1953. I'm Kevin McCullough. Check us out on the web at downwindguideservice.com. Here on Lake Lewisville, the fishing's really, really good right now. And please like and share our videos and send us some friend requests, and I'll continue to give these reports for you guys. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.